Do you know the deepest point on our Mother Earth? 36,000 feet below Pacific Ocean. There is a crescent-shaped trench, which is the deepest known points on Earth, known as the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench was created by the process that occurs in a subduction zone, where two massive slabs of oceanic crust collide. The Mariana Trench is attached to the Earth crust that measures more than 2,550 kilometers long and 69 kilometers wide. The deepest point of the Mariana Trench is known as the Challenger Deep. The distance between the surface of the ocean and the Challenger Deep is nearly 36,000 feet. And that means that if Mount Everest were dropped into the Mariana Trench at this point, the peak of the Everest would still be 2,000 feet underwater. In 1960, Jacques Piccard and Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh has reached to the deepest point on Earth. And on March 26, 2012, Titanic director James Cameron made a history of reaching the bottom of the Challenger Deep. James Cameron completed the Challenger Deep expedition in 2 hours and 36 minutes. With deep-diving submarine known as Deep Sea Challenger. During the historic underwater expedition, James Cameron didn't see any fish at the bottom. He saw only some small living creatures which were not more than an inch long. The wide range of the Mariana Trench has spread out with a unique toxic environments, like bubbling up liquid sulfur and carbon dioxide, and active mud volcanoes. The temperature of the liquid is 103 degrees Celsius. Because of its extreme depth, the Mariana Trench is full of darkness and the temperature is just a few degrees above freezing. The water pressure at the bottom of the trench is a crushing 8 tons per square inch, or about 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. This is equivalent of having 50 jumbo jets placed on top of a person. Recent scientific expeditions have discovered surprisingly diverse life in these harsh conditions. Animals living in the deepest parts of the Mariana Trench survive in complete darkness and extreme pressure. The 3 most common organisms at the bottom of the Mariana Trench are xenophyophores, amphipods, and small sea cucumbers.